You're about to watch the Paulie channel. Enjoy.
Hey everybody, Paulie here, and I got a great one for you here today. It's going to be the Thanksgiving special frozen pizza review. And what frozen pizza will this be? It's going to be the Thanksgiving pizza from DiGIORNO. And it's a limited edition, loaded with 100% cheese and bioengineered food ingredient. It's a Detroit style Thanksgiving pizza, and it comes with its own pan, although it's not really a pan. You got to throw it away after you use it. So I mean, anyhow, we're gonna do this, and when I do this review, I'm not going to be negative. I'm not going to say anything terrible about it. You may not hear me say a word because it might be that bad. Yeah, I've been putting off doing this frozen pizza. I've been meaning to do it for about 4 or 5 days now, and just not have been in the mood to eat a Thanksgiving pizza. Let's get it in the oven. Here it is with the plastic wrap still on there. Let's open this up. If I can do it one finger, one hand. Solid like a rock. Not going to be able to move any of those toppings. So let's get it in the oven. We'll go like this. Turn on light for your viewing pleasure. Close the door, and we'll set the timer for 23 minutes. Doesn't say right about there. All right. Now we just wait. The bell just rang. That means only one thing. The pizza is done. The Thanksgiving pizza is done. Let's get it out of there. That looks like it's still frozen. Nope, it's not. That's different. I don't know what to say. It's not a pizza, but it is. Let's get this cut up and give it a try. Now, as you can see, there's a piece missing. I already put that piece on my plate, but I want to just show you the crust here. It's a thick crust. It's supposed to be like a Detroit style crust with Thanksgiving dinner on top. Let's go and try it. And being that this is the Thanksgiving special frozen pizza review, I'm not going to say anything negative about this. I'm just going to eat it, and you can watch my reaction while I enjoy it. Yeah, corner piece. Very bready. Got a little bit of a fried crust. Very white on the bottom. Oh, it's brown. White on the edges with a little fried crust. And we got a green bean on there, some turkey. Got a little bit of a cranberry on there. I did not let it cool off for the 5 minutes that the box suggests. I'm willing to burn myself for y'all. Here we go. Take another bite.
You're watching the Paulie channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
This is the only piece I'm going to have. I don't want to get fat, okay? Yes, Faygo Zero Sugar Orange Pop. It's tasty. It's different. It does have a Thanksgiving taste about it. Not bad. So if I had to get a Detmerd's Pepperoni Scale Rating, I'd give it a very positive 1.5 pepperonis. I'll tell you the truth, it's better than their DiGIORNO regular pizzas, in my opinion. A friend of mine, we'll just call her Kelly, said it needed salt, needed to put salt on it. I don't put salt on a whole lot of food, so me, I didn't need salt. But I appreciate her telling me that. Yeah, I say try it. It's worth giving it a try and enjoying your Thanksgiving in a pizza format. Wasn't very expensive. I think it cost like $6 and some odd cents. I didn't care. I just wanted to get it so I could share it with you all here on this special Paulie Detmerd's frozen pizza Thanksgiving video. See how thankful I am for you all. I might even have another piece. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I'm Paul.